Hello students and welcome to lesson 2 of Python 0 to Hero series. By now, I hope all of you are ready with your Google Colab notebooks. If not, watch my previous video and set up your Colab notebook. In this video, you are going to write your first Python program with me. So open your Colab notebooks and code with me. So open your Colab notebook and rename it to anything you want, like I have renamed it to lesson 2.python notebook. So before we start writing our first Python program, I want you to know and remember that whenever you create any program, whether it's a basic program where you are adding two numbers, or it's an advanced program where you are creating any machine learning project, or you are creating an advanced game, the structure of every program remains the same. That is, you take some input from the user, do some processing, and return back the output. Now, this input forms and the output forms can be different. Like we can provide input by entering some data, moving the mouse. Similarly, the output give back to the user. That also varies, that you can give the user some message written on the screen, or some audio generated, or some video generated, etc. So we will see all these types in our entire series, but right now we will start from very basic, that is how to take some text data as an input and how to print the messages. And in this particular video, we are just going to see how to display the output on the screen. And in the next video, we are going to take some input and do the processing. So if you want to display any message on the screen, we have a command in Python known as print. And in front of print, there is a set of round brackets. Whatever you write inside these round brackets will be displayed on the screen as it is. So inside the round brackets, you need to put double quotes whenever you are printing any message, and inside double quotes, whatever you write, like suppose if I write welcome and I run this program, the welcome will be printed on the screen. Now, this is your choice, that you can either include double quotes or you can also use single quotes. So if I write print, single quotes, hello everyone. Okay, and if I run this will also give the same output. So whenever you need to print anything, just write down print in the set of round brackets, in the double quotes or single quotes, just write the message whatever you want to print. Inside this message, you can put any special characters also, you can put some numbers also, everything would be displayed as a message. Okay, now I will talk about some special cases, like suppose if I write here, welcome to the course, there is a special white space character known as /n. So if I write \n, see what he will do. It will bring your data to the new line. So /n stands for new line. Similarly, /t stands for tab. So it includes some space between the and the course. So there is a tab in between, right? These are some special white spaces. Similarly, we have many others, but right now I'm just sticking to two common white space characters. These are known as white space characters. You can see that when you are printing two different statements, all of them are coming in new lines, right? That is, first print statement prints welcome to the course. Then when you run the second print statement, it comes to the new line. What if you don't want them to be in different lines? I'll tell you what happens. In the print statement, there is also an extra parameter actually, not attribute, known as end, which is initially /n. That means by default, the value of this end is /n, which means that after this message is printed, it prints /n. So if I do not want new line, I can just leave this blank. So see what will happen. They will get print in the same line. Suppose I want to end it with so many spaces. So this welcome to the course will be ended with so many spaces. Suppose I want to end every statement by some random numbers. So the statement would be ended with random numbers, right? So right now we have just talked about how to print the things on the output screen, how to print them in new lines, how to print with a tab, and how to avoid new lines. I would suggest you to practice some printing messages, poems, letters, etc. using this print command and these whitespace characters. Till tomorrow, and tomorrow we will see how to take inputs, do the processing, and what type of inputs you can take. It can be a number, it can be a string, it can be a float number, and many more. So let's meet tomorrow at 4 p.m. again. Till then, keep practicing with the print statements. Happy coding!